Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Allah. Dear learners, here I am with you, your English teacher, and it is class for English for today, for the students of class 9. So dear learners, let's start the class. Flying bird, and with this flying bird, welcome everyone, welcome to my class. Let me introduce myself. I am Shagufta Nasrin, assistant teacher, Afanullah High School, and my email and contact number is already on the screen. Learners, here is a picture for you. Do you know what is this? The name, this is a sculpture, and you know what is the name of this sculpture? This sculpture is known as Aparajeo Bangla. In our country, there are lots of sculptures that symbolize something, and such a sculpture this is. Can you guess what does the statue symbolize? The statue symbolize the unity of Bengalis to achieve the independence. Such sculpture is known as a world heritage, and people of the whole world know it. You know what is this? This is the Statue of Liberty. And dear learners, our today's topic is Statue of Liberty, Unit 8, Lesson 3. I think you have your textbook in your hand. Now open your book, Unit 8, Lesson 3. And here is our learning outcome. After completing this lesson, what will be able to do? Read and understand the text, tell meaning of the new words, ask and answer questions, and summarize the text. Now we can start our topic. Before starting our activity, let's enjoy a video. Already we have visited USA, and now we have seen here the gallery, the harbor of New York, and also the tip of the torch and the previous torch, former torch that was kept in the gallery. All of these things are already depicted in this video, and now we will go through the text. Before going to the text, we would like to introduce some keywords. Keywords to know the new words, to understand the text better. First word is here, symbolize. Symbolize, that means, let us see the picture here. something that express something, a symbol of, that means represent, and picture symbolize the defense forces of Bangladesh. So this show the picture of defense forces of Bangladesh. Next word. Now pronunciation of this word is commemorate. Commemorate. Already we have a picture, everybody is celebrating something. So commemorate, that means to celebrate. And here is the sentence, people are holding a rally to commemorate our independence. Word is here, statue. What is statue? This is a statue of someone. Another word of statue is sculpture. Sculpture and statue has the same meaning. Here is the sentence. Now, you know who is he? He is the sculptor. Who is a sculptor? Sculptor, that means the person who designed the frame. So, he is Frederick August Bartholdi, the sculptor of the Statue of Liberty. I repeat once again, Frederick August Bartholdi is the sculptor of the Statue of Liberty. Here is the picture, and what is this? These are the broken chains lie at the feet of the statue. The broken chain lie at the feet of the statue. Broken chain symbolizes overthrow of tyranny lie at the feet of the statue. Inscribed. You see the picture, on the stone there is something carved, engraved, that is inscribed. And here is the sentence, people sometimes inscribe something on stone or a piece of wood to keep the memory forever. Another word is inscribe. In another way we can depict inscribe. What is inscribed in the book that is in the hand of the statue? Print or written words on something inscribed on the hand of on the book of the statue. The date of US independence is inscribed on the book. Already we see that the date July 4, 1786. Next word, gesture. Pronunciation of this word is gesture. Girls are showing something. What is this? This is gesture of victory. So anything sign or pose or signal of anything is gesture. So this is the sentence. The girls are showing the victory gesture. Next word, learners. Here we have some more words. We will just know the meaning of the word. That means venture. Venture is risk or hazard. To do something without knowing the effect of it is venture. That is risk. And another word we can say hazard. Lobby, walking corridor. Pedestal, the base. And here centennial. Centennial, that means 100 years. And assemble, to collect or to put together. Learners, now let us see the Statue of Liberty. This is Statue of Liberty, and what are the different parts of the Statue of Liberty? We see here the torch, and here is the spiked crown, and this is the book, and also the flowing robes. So these are the main parts of the statue, and all the parts have different symbolic meaning. What is that? Let us see. What does the statue symbolize? Torch symbolize what? Torch symbolize a light guiding to the way of US. Book symbolize knowledge and wisdom, and broken chain symbolize overthrow of tyranny, and overall the statue symbolize what? The statue symbolize freedom. So every part has its own symbolism. So dear learners, such statue is not built only for show off. There are some symbolic meaning must. Now let us go to our text. Already we have our text here. Let me read for you. The French sculptor Frederic Auguste Bartholdi was assigned to design and complete a sculpture, Liberty Enlightening the World. The torch symbolized liberty enlightening the world within 1876, so that it could be a gift for the Americans on the occasion of the 100th anniversary of the American Declaration of Independence. Long sentence, but very easy for us because we have already discussed about the keywords. French sculptor Frederic Auguste Bartholdi was assigned to design and complete the sculpture. And here in the next sentence, the statue was a joint venture between the USA and France. The French people would build the statue to assemble it in the States, and the people of USA were to build the pedestal of the statue. So it is a joint venture of Americans and French people. So what happened next? To set the pedestal of the Statue of Liberty, raising money. America raised money from people, popular subscription. So raising money for the pedestal was completed in August 1885. American taking subscription from the people of America, and they collected the whole money in 1885. The construction of the pedestal was finished in April 1886. In the meantime, France completed the statue in July 1884, and they sent it to New York on board the French warship Isar in 1885. While that means taking away. While transporting the statue, it was split up 350 individual pieces and packed into 14 crates. That means individual pieces are different pieces, separate pieces. And then it took 4 months to put the statue together. When the statue, the pedestal and the frame is complete, Isar has brought the crates, and it took 4 months to put the statue together and place it to the pedestal. Thousands of people saw the unveiling ceremony. It was a ceremony, unveiling ceremony on October 28th, 1886. 10 years later, because USA got independence 1876, and it was 10 years later gift. It was 10 years later centennial gift for the US. Learners, already we have discussed about the broken chains, the book and the torch. So what does it symbolize? The description is here in this way: the freedom that the statue stands for, it is not stationary, is not so easy, not stationary. The broken chain wrapped around her feet, sticking out from the bottom of her robe, symbolize her free forward movement, enlightening the world with her torch, free from oppression and slavery. The torch, former torch, and this is the present torch. The statue original torch was first part constructed in 1876. it was placed from one place to another. It was replaced by a new copper torch covered in 24 karat gold leaf in 1984, and the torch is lighted by floodlight at night. The original torch is currently located in the lobby of the monument. Access to the torch has been closed since 1916. And here is the last part of the text, the Statue of Liberty. On clear days, 3 cameras provide unobstructed views of scene far and near. 2 cameras provide an ultra-wide angle interactive view of the famous golden torch, and remaining camera looks downwards towards the crown of the statue. Her face and the tablet she is holding, so a person can have access to the webcam's live feed of the Statue of Liberty from anywhere in the world. So, this is the text, dear learners. The text is very informative, and let us know some more information about the Statue of Liberty. The measurement of the Statue of Liberty, we see the pedestal financed by US people and the Statue of Liberty that is gifted by France. But what is the measurement? The measurement of the statue is from pedestal, of to the tip of the torch. From the pedestal to the tip of the torch, total measurement is 306 feet. And only the figure itself 152 feet 2 inch. So, from the head to the diadem it is 28 feet, and the statue total weighs 250 tons. So, this is the largest statue in the world. And dear learners, here is some questions. Whenever you get free time, you will write down the answer of these questions. Though there is no option to check out, only write down so that you can try to write down, because whenever you get an opportunity to share with your teacher, you can show it, express it. So, the question is here, why did the French government give the Statue of Liberty to the USA? Already we have discussed. Why? To celebrate the centennial of US independence. What does the statue symbolize? The statue symbolizes international freedom. And who was the designer of the statue? Already we have discussed. I will just share with you, Frederic Auguste Bartholdi, the French sculptor. And what do you understand by the expression liberty enlightening the world? The expression liberty enlightening the world, that means liberty of the whole world. Here is some more information. Now, let us summarize the text in short. So, where is the Statue of Liberty situated? It is situated on the harbor of New York. And who designed it? Frederic Auguste Bartholdi designed it. Next, who gifted the Statue of Liberty? France gifted the Statue of Liberty to USA. Why? To commemorate the centennial of US independence. When the statue was unveiled? The statue was unveiled on 28th October 1876. It was the centennial of US independence, and the statue symbolized, the broken chain symbolized free from oppression and slavery. And the material of the statue is copper sheets iron. and total weight of the statue is 27.22 metric tons, and or tons, if we count it in tons, 254 tons. The torch was replaced in 1984. So, dear learners, this is the main information about the text, the Statue of Liberty. We will meet again on our next class. See you again on our next class. Thank you, everybody.